fitting that the next chapter in American air power is named in their honor. The B-21 Raider is the first strategic bomber in more than 3 decades, and it's proof of the department's long-term commitment to building advanced capabilities that will fortify America's ability to deter aggression today and into the future. The audacity of the
Ladies and gentlemen, our nation's B-21 Raider.
And it's proof of the department's long-term commitment to building advanced capabilities that will fortify America's ability to